welcome back to another Ironman training video, and today it is going to be a very long one. Swim, bike, run, everything at a time with proper high volume. And the only thing I'm worried about is my ankle, which got twisted couple days back, and still having that pain. And I hope that it doesn't get any worse because it might affect my training and race, which is next week. So yeah, let's get started.
भी जाता है नाप के डालते हो
So I'm done with my swimming. The focus was nothing, just easy 2 kilometer swim, and now I will be starting my ride, which will be of 3 hours. This focus will be nothing. I will be keeping it very easy, and as it's my first outdoor ride, long ride with cleats, I'll just try to be more comfortable with it. And the hydrations is something I will be taking care more now. Earlier I was just eating anything, banana, date, but now I will be focusing on gels, like taking 2 gels per hour. And yeah, that's the primary focus today. So let's see how it goes. So I'm halfway through, means 90 minutes of ride is done, and my lower back is paining like anything. I'm not sure why it is. It's for the aero position or the cycling form itself, I'm not sure, but it's giving a lot of discomfort during ride. Finally done with my 3-hour ride, and it was pretty awesome. While coming back, one thing I made sure that I will not be going into the aero position. I think helped a lot for the back pain. It was still there, but it was very less. And yeah, now we will be going for the... So started my running, and the focus will be very clear, just to make sure I'm increasing the pace gradually. And last 10 minutes is something I will be pushing. And second one, form under fatigue. I should be maintaining the correct posture. Head should be straight and hips should be high. That's it. See you after completing the run. So done with running as well. It was around 40 minutes and total distance was 7 kilometers. I got cramps in my groin and quads, and this is the first time I'm ever getting cramps. Maybe lack of proper hydration or something. And yeah, as I told you, it will be a pretty long day, and it is. It's already 3:30 and I just completed my today's workout. That's it for today. See you again tomorrow.